Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorial. Today we are talking about how to turn off seller mode on Fiverr mobile app. Why would you want to know how to turn off seller mode on Fiverr mobile app? Well, maybe it is your first time using Fiverr and not sure how to turn off seller mode on Fiverr mobile app. So today I am going to show you how to turn off seller mode on Fiverr mobile app. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. First of all, open Fiverr mobile app. Now you are seeing seller dashboard. You are also seeing different options at the bottom of the screen. Click on profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now at the top, you are seeing toggle button in front of seller mode. Turn it off. Now the seller mode is turned off. There you go. If you wanted to know how to turn off seller mode on Fiverr mobile app, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.